The Tomahawk Cruise Missile is a cornerstone of the U.S. Navy's long-range precision strike capability, a subsonic, sea-launched weapon designed to deliver conventional warheads accurately against land targets from standoff distances, and its development beginning during the Cold War and entry into service in the 1980s marked a dramatic shift in how naval forces project power ashore, by allowing surface ships and submarines to launch precision attacks without the need for manned aircraft to penetrate hostile airspace. Tomahawk reshaped operational planning and offered political and military leaders a flexible, lower-risk option for shaping a battle space. Featuring sophisticated guidance systems that combine inertial navigation, GPS, terrain contour matching, and digital scene matching for terminal homing, modern Tomahawks can fly complex routes, avoid known defenses, and strike with a high degree of accuracy that helps limit collateral damage when planners apply rigorous targeting discipline. Over decades, the family of missiles evolved through successive blocks and variants that improved range, reliability, and mission flexibility. The Block 4 introduced important capabilities such as two-way communications with controllers, in-flight retargeting, and loitering options that let commanders respond to changing information and emerging targets. Launched from vertical launch systems aboard Ticonderoga-class cruisers and Arleigh Burke-class destroyers, or from torpedo tubes on attack submarines, Tomahawks give naval commanders distributed strike options across the seas, extending the fleet's reach by hundreds of miles and enabling effects against command nodes, air defenses, infrastructure, and other high-value targets while keeping crews and platforms outside the most dangerous zones. Integrated into joint operations with air, land, and intelligence assets, the missile leverages real-time intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance feeds to accept updated targets and to provide battle damage assessment, turning a single weapon into a network precision tool rather than a one-off munition. Tomahawk's operational history underlines its strategic utility. It has been used in the opening phases of conflicts from the Gulf War and Kosovo to Afghanistan, Iraq, and Libya to shape the initial battlefield, neutralize key nodes, and create options for follow-on forces, and each cycle of use produced lessons that fed software upgrades, new seekers, and reliability enhancements, so the system could remain effective against adapted defenses. Adversaries have pursued countermeasures, which in turn drove U.S. investments in survivability, electronic hardening, and improved guidance resilience, but the missile's combination of range, precision, and flexibility has kept it relevant. Beyond technical matters, Tomahawk also functions as a signaling and deterrent instrument. The choice to launch a salvo, or to withhold it, conveys political will and can influence